5 Best Epoxy Resin for Wood. Number 1. Pro-Marine Supplies Epoxy Resin Coating. Comes with a high gloss formula for added beauty. Resist water and raise. Comes with a self-leveling property. The extra hardener part of this epoxy makes application easier. It's resistant to blush. It cures harder than most epoxy resins available in the market today. Offers protection against UV. It contains no volatile organic compounds. Box covers at least 40 square feet. This is a very good epoxy for resin woods. Number 2. Mass Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin. Mass Epoxy is another fantastic resin that comes with an excellent glass-like finish that gives your furniture the ultimate beauty. It's easy to apply, which makes it convenient. Comes with a self-leveling feature, making it easy for the user. Has an impressive thickness. This resin has the most extensive coverage in the market. Comes with a clear coat. It lasts longer than most. Offers protection against ultraviolet rays. This epoxy is every woodworker's dream. Its glass-like look would make better all kinds of wooden structures. Number 3. TotalBoat Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin. If you are looking for the brands that care so much about quality, then TotalBoat Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin is what you need. It's the definition of quality. The final product is a smooth finish. It stands the test of time thanks to its resistance against everything. Has a thick coat of 1/8 inches, easy to apply. Works on almost all surfaces: concrete, ceramic, metal, and stone. Comes with a clear coat. Has self-leveling property. It is waterproof. Resists heat. Has a quick drying time. Able to resist both blush and bubble. It's the definition of very best quality. Just remember one thing: it's not the best resin for outdoor usage. Number 4. Countertop UV Resistant Resin. If you are looking for protection to your wooden structure and need a resin that you can trust, then Countertop Epoxy Standard FX Epoxy is the answer to all your questions. The most durable and resistant epoxy resin. It has a fantastic appearance on any surface. Large coverage capacity with an impressive thickness. It takes about 36 hours to dry, making it one of the easiest to apply. Ability to resist ultraviolet rays. Contains no toxins. It's odorless. Has an expansive coverage. Number 5. Versakoat Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear. Are you looking to improve your wooden structure with a bright crystal finish? If that's so, then this fantastic epoxy resin from Versakoat is what you need. This resin is so beautiful, thanks to its mirror-like finish following the application. It takes glossiness to the next level with a surface that reflects like a mirror, hence delivering a near-perfect look to any wooden structure. Prevents bubbling, the formation of craters, and fish eyes. It's very long-lasting and with high resistance against forceful impacts and scratches. Works perfectly with a wide range of surfaces. Its final product is a mirror-like result on different types of wood. Advantages: strong and durable, easy to apply, highly shine. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.